Hey, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the exact process that I took to build credit for my business. Because I opened my brick and mortar back in 2018. And that's when I first started establishing my business credit. And you don't need to use your own social security number. So I'm going to be breaking this video down into 7 easy steps that you can take to build credit for your own business. So stay tuned. The first thing you'll need to do to start establishing credit for your business is to make sure you register your business with your state. So I'm from the state of Michigan and I registered my business as an LLC, and I chose the LLC to make sure my personal assets were protected just in case my business got sued. And you might want to do the same, especially if you're applying for business credit. You want to make sure that they only go after your business. So that is why I chose an LLC. So that's the first step you're going to need to do when you're starting to register your business to get credit. So the second thing you need to do is make sure you get an EIN number. So your EIN is your employer identification number, which is also a social security number for your business. And you can get your EIN number on irs.gov. It is free if you set it up for yourself. And I also did a video on the entire process walking you through step by step of how you can get it for free. So make sure you check out that video. And I'm also going to drop a link to it in the comment section. And you want to stay away from sites like LegalZoom where they'll charge you $80 for something that you can just set up on your own for free. So check that video out. The third thing you'll need to do when establishing credit for your business is to sign up for a business checking account, and you'll use your EIN number and your LLC. And with this step, you want to separate your personal finances from your business finances. So that way you'll have everything that you associate with your business on the same account, and it'll be easy for you to keep track of your accounting so you know what's coming in and what's going out. The fourth thing you'll need to do when establishing your business credit is to make sure you set up a business phone number and a physical address. So with your phone number, you can either go the Google Voice route. There are plenty of websites that allow you to get a 1-800 number, or depending on your budget, you can sign up for a phone service. So with me, for my business, I pay Metro PCS $30 a month just to run my business line. And you can do the same thing for your business. It's all based on your budget and how much you want to pay per month. Since I have a brick and mortar store, I like to have a physical phone there. So when I go home, my phone can still be there for the stylists who are in the store at the time. Then the next thing you'll need to do is set up a physical address. So for me, that was easy since I have a brick and mortar store. I just used that address. But one thing I do want to say is that you cannot use your home address and you cannot use a P.O. box. So what you'll want to do is there's plenty of websites where you can set up a virtual address. Well, I'm going to drop a link in the comment section below for that as well. Or there's local business offices in your area where they'll allow you to get your business mail sent there as well. So you'll want to check out your local resources. The fifth thing you'll need to do, which this step is very important, you'll have to set up a Duns number. So your Duns number is through Duns and Bradstreet. So what you're going to want to do is go directly to their website to register your business. And keep in mind that once you register your business, whatever phone number you put, that's going to be the phone number that they contact you. And when they contact you, sometimes it's going to be offers to upsell. There's going to be a lot of insurance companies calling you, a lot of people with different loans trying to contact you. So be mindful of the phone number that you choose for that website. And also with the Duns number, the process can take up to 2 weeks to get approved once they verify all of your information. The sixth thing you'll need to do when establishing your business credit is to sign up for a Net 30 account. And a Net 30 account is a business line of credit where they'll allow you 30 days to pay it back. But before you can sign up for a Net 30 account, you will need to have your Duns number first. So once you receive your Duns number in the mail, you'll be able to sign up for your Net 30 account. The first Net 30 account I got was through YourEIN. And I know for my business, I purchased shipping supplies and I also purchased some cleaning supplies. And what you want to do with your Net 30 account is make sure you are not late, because this is the first account you're going to have when you're establishing your business credit and you do not want to be late at all. So if you can, try and pay it off within 15 to 25 days just to make sure that it's paid off between that 30-day period. So the last and final step when establishing your business credit, what you'll need to do is sign up for the NAV app. And I'm going to drop the link to it in the comment section below. You'll go to nav.com just to register. And this website, along with the Duns and Bradstreet website, is going to show you your business credit scores. And with these websites, they do take a little while to update, but you do want to make sure that you're keeping track of your business credit scores. So that way, when it comes time to register for credit cards and loans, you'll already know what your score is. So like all my videos, this video was sweet and to the point. It gave you every step you needed to take to start establishing credit for your business. And if you have any comments, drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also, you can follow me on social media. I'm on Instagram as I am Destiny Adams. Well, that's Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. I am Destiny Adams. For business tips is the Traveling Hair Boss, which you can find that on Instagram and Facebook. Or if you want to find out more about my brick and mortar, which is my hair store, so that's Destiny Hair Collection. And we are on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and I believe we're on Snapchat. So yeah, go check us out and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video.